So we are going to be looking at a VCAA 2008 Exam 2, Section 1, Question 17. The graph of the function f of x is equal to e to the power of 2x minus 2 and intersects the graph of g of x is equal to e to the power of x. So the first way I looked at this was making them equal because we're looking at wanting to find the intersect and then solving for x, and you can put it onto the calculator. The other way I've looked at this question is I'm going to make it easy for myself and rewrite that first equation. And I'm just going to put it as e to the power of x to the power of 2, which that will be 2x, take away 2. And it means what I can do is substitution. So that means I'm just going to substitute u in for e to the power of x. So I get u squared take away 2 and g of x is just equal to u. That means I can make them equal to each other now, and I've got u is equal to u squared minus 2. I can get everything else to one side and make it equal to 0 and then use null factor. So I've got 0 is equal to u squared minus u take away 2. The next step is we need two numbers that time together to equal negative 2 and two numbers that add up together to equal negative 1. Straight away that has to be 2 and 1. One of them has to be negative. It will have to be negative 2 to equal negative 1. Because it's a monic, I can just write it straight away in the factorized form. X take away 2x plus 1. So now from this point, I can then write two equations and substitute the value of u into my equation, and we know u is e to the power of x. So the first equation I've got will be 0 is... Oops, sorry, I made a mistake there. I put an x. A mistake. I'll quickly delete that. There we go. Force of habit. So that means I've got 0 is equal to my u value is e to the power of x. So e to the power of x take away 2. And the second equation is 0 is equal to e to the power of x plus 1. So with that first equation, I will get 2 to the other side. 2 is equal to e to the power of x. And then I can get x by itself by using log. And that will give me log base of e 2 is equal to x. And the other side would be a negative 1 is equal to e to the power of x. And straight away, I can't get a negative. So I can't do that, which means it's only one answer, log base e2, which is B.